how to make Google Docs table of contents. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Google Drive. Sign in with your email and password if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, open the document you want to edit or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Now, look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down, scroll down until you find Table of Contents. Here, you'll see a few different styles you can choose from, some with page numbers and others with clickable links. Pick the one that best suits your document. Once you select it, Google Docs will automatically generate the table of contents for you based on the headings in your document. That's why it's important to format your titles and subheadings correctly using the heading styles in Docs. As you keep working on your document, you might need to refresh the table of contents. To do this, simply click on it and you'll see an Update button. Hit that and your table will instantly reflect any new changes. And that's it. By going to Insert then Table of Contents, you can create a clean and professional layout that makes your work stand out. That's all for the video.